Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Tirunelveli. It is located in Tamil Nadu. Let us see what are the job openings in detail. Firstly, there is a job opening available in Helite Solutions. They are looking for customer service specialist. Coming to the job description, answering phones from clients and customers professionally and responding to inquiries and compliments. Excellent communication skills including verbal with proper grammar, flexible to work on the day and night shifts, data or record and update in Excel spreadsheet the day to day, processing forms, orders and applications requested by the clients, identifying escalating priority issues and reporting to the high level management, routing inbound calls to the appropriate resources, following up on complicated customer calls when required, recording details of comments, inquiries, complaints and actions taken, managing administration, communicating and coordinating with internal departments, required good computer skills in MS Office and multitasking skills, and finally able to react effectively and calmly in emergencies. This is the job description. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link provided in the description. Next one, there is a job opening available in Bajaj Finserv. They are looking for assistant manager PLCS growth. Coming to the job duties and key responsibilities, track and improve key performance indicators such as query resolution time, repeat queries, etc., and liaise with sales team and IT team to ensure reduction of sales queries and bottlenecks. Build various process or policies checks on SFDC workflow to ensure minimum leakages downstream by working closely with IT or COE teams, and to liaise with IT teams, operations and other team to ensure early resolution of sales query. And coming to the required qualifications and experiences, that is the graduates or postgraduates can apply with relevant experience of 1 to 2 years in the financial service industry would be an added advantage for this job role, and with excellent communication skills, exceptionally high motivational levels and needs to be a self-starter. These are the required qualifications and experience. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link provided in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening available in Touch Logic Technologies Private Limited. They are looking for IT sales executive. Coming to the job responsibilities, database mining, cold calling, email campaign, coordination with the team throughout the sales process. These are the job responsibilities. Coming to the job requirements, 2 to 4 years of experience in IT sales, preferred experience in SAS product, is excellent communication and writing skills in English, relevant degree in marketing or a relevant field, proficiency in MS Office and expertise in social media platforms. These are the job requirements. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link provided in the description box. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening available in Exceed Education. They are looking for business development manager. The candidates having strong proficiency in language and personal IP skills are preferred, and here some musts are given. Those are degree holder and minimum 3 years of experience in sales, ready to travel extensively, nativity and should be ready work under challenging environment, and edtech experience is an additional advantage for this job role. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link provided in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening available in Varun Beverages Limited. They are looking for Deputy Manager Finance. Coming to the primary roles and accountabilities, preparing MIS, managing plant accounting, financial planning, budgeting and forecasting of the unit, submission of accurate quarterly, half-yearly, annual financials, annual budget and other reports, completion of audits as per schedule, monitoring and reporting of financial performance of the unit, inclusion of balance sheet, COGS or COMS report, yield report, D&A and report. Coming to the skill sets required, CA qualified first or second attempt and strong understanding of accounts or finance or commercial function, experience of working on SAP is essential, and good interpersonal skills including people management skills and good communication skills along with experience and exposure of manufacturing unit assignments is desirable for this profile. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link provided in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening available in Into Computing. They are looking for web developer. Coming to the job responsibilities, writing and implementing efficient code, debug and fix bugs in the existing application, test and deploy application, collaborate with team members to determine best practices and the client requirements. And coming to the qualifications, 1 to 6 years of experience in software development, knowledge and interest in programming and the latest technologies, the ability to learn new technologies quickly, proficiency in both front-end and back-end technologies, sound knowledge in PHP and ASP.NET or C.NET or VB.NET or any one programming languages are preferred, and sound knowledge in MySQL or Microsoft SQL Server or any of the database. And coming to the perks and benefits, health insurance for the employee and immediate family members, and a personal accidental insurance cover. And these are the responsibilities, qualifications, perks and benefits for this job role. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link provided in the description. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening available in Bajaj Finserv. They are looking for assistant manager, professional loans. Coming to the job duties and key responsibilities, managing and supporting the effective deployment of team of sales professionals with respect to that geographical area, exploring new markets and in allocating resources to most profitable opportunities, achieving sales targets and cross-selling insurance, creating a strong and compliant sales culture across the channel to drive acquisitions, profitability and employee development, identifying the need of sales, training, analyzing changing market trends, channel deployment, etc. Also giving feedback and suggestions to the RSM. And coming to the required qualifications and experience, relevant sales experience in managing large sales channels in multiple market environments, and the candidates should have overall knowledge to source from salaried loans business. Good communication, analytical skills and channel management skills are required. Demonstrated success and achievement orientation and excellent communication skills required, and strong bias for action and driving results in a high performance environment. Demonstrated ability to lead from the front and excellent relationship skills are required. These are the required qualifications and experience. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link provided in the description.
That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section. And please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.